Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to merge only column in your MS Excel with your keyboard shortcut key. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to merge only column in your MS Excel with keyboard shortcut key, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to select the column which you want to merge and press Alt HMA. You can see it has been merged. That's it guys. So in this way you can merge only column in your MS Excel with keyboard shortcut key. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.